So I'm taking refuge under a tree. I think there's about to be a tornado. I don't let that stop me from coming out here to the woods and getting what I want. Tree just falling right there. But it's okay, I'm in a good safe spot. Hopefully I don't die. Oh, here comes another one falling on me. Oh, that one almost came in my direction. I'm hiding under the trees. Good spot to be right now. Good sturdy oak. Yep, that tree this way. Got a little rained on, not too bad though. Ride this wave out. Another tree just fell in front of me. Yeah, sometimes I find myself in crazy predicaments out here in the middle of the forest. Nobody around, just me. And yeah, man, enjoying the beauties of nature.